Hi, I'm Victoria. Welcome to my pasta art book. And today we are making black linguine using natural ingredients like semolina flour, egg, and black charcoal. Are you ready? Let's dive into the pasta making process. Start with 100 grams of semolina flour and pour it onto your board. Shape it into a well. Then crack it one egg. Add 1 spoon of black charcoal powder for that deep dramatic color. Now slowly start pouring the flour into the egg mixture, just little at a time, while keeping the walls of the well intact. As the dough gets thicker, you can begin mixing in more the flour from the outside. When it starts coming together, scrub off any extra flour and begin kneading. If the dough feels too sticky, sprinkle a bit more flour on the top and keep kneading. About 5 minutes should do it. Form into a ball. Voila! Place it on the board. Cover it with a plate and let it rest for 15 minutes approximately minimum. When rested, cut the dough into half. Use roller pin to flatten in slightly. Then it's time to use the pasta machine, or just keep doing using the roller pin. Start feeding it through the roll out evenly over your linguine. Start buttering the edges of your pasta sheet to make it more rectangular. To seal it, fold both sides toward the center. Do it a few times. Then cut the sheet into thin linguine about 4 mm wide. Cook the pasta fresh in boiling salted water. While the pasta is cooking, make the sauce. In a pan, melt some butter, add slices of lime or lemon, and let it caramelize. Flip it in to get core on both sides. This adds deep citrusy flavor. Next, add shrimps and some smashed garlic. Let everything cook together briefly. Add a splash of pasta water to the pan, then remove the shrimps and set it aside. Transfer your al dente linguine straight into the sauce. Toss and cook for about 2 minutes until it soaks up the flavor. Plate the pasta, place the shrimps on the top, and finish with fresh dill. Buon appetito! Enjoy!